Hi everyone, let's take a look at the following example. Find the antiderivative or the integration of x to the power of n with respect to x where n cannot be -1. Step number 1, you copy x to the power of n and you have to add 1 to the exponent. So again, x to the power of n plus 1, you divide this by n plus 1. Be mindful, you're not looking for one solution. You're looking for infinite many cases, also known as family of solutions. So the answer is going to be x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now, in case you're thinking, how do I know? What can I do to verify it? This is for sure correct. Because sometimes you do make a mechanical mistake, could be copy and paste, and we want to confirm by spending that one extra minute. So if you double check, here's what happens. I go back and I write down y equal to 1 divided by, again, you can bring this coefficient to the front, 1 plus, or 1 divided by n plus 1 times x to the power of n plus 1 plus c. And the goal is to find the derivative. If we're doing it right, we should get the question back. Again, the derivative in this context could be dy by dx. You can also write down y prime. Apply the power rule. You multiply 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 1. That's going to be n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 times x. And you subtract the exponent by 1. So n plus 1 minus 1. Of course, when you take the derivative of a constant, that's going to be 0. Now, when you collect like terms, that's going to be 1. And 1 minus 1, that's going to be 0. And of course, you're left with exactly x to the power of n, which is what we started with. Now, here's a bonus idea I would like you to think about. We're not going to cover it in this video yet, but why can't n be -1? Think about that. Why can't n be -1? And if n is -1, is there another formula? So something to think about, and I hope this makes sense.